So, hello everyone. Let's take this odd one out. Sentence number one says, displacement in Bengal is thus. Okay, the word thus sounds like a concluding statement, not very significant in view of its magnitude. A factor of displacement in Bengal is the shifting course. Okay, of the river Ganges, leading to erosion of river banks. Talking about erosion, the nature of displacement in Bengal makes it an interesting case study. This sounds like an introductory sentence. Since displacement due to erosion is well spread over a long period of time, it remains invisible. Rapid displacements would have helped sensitize the public to its human cost. Not a very difficult question. If you see all the sentences, sentence number 3 could have been the main topic of the paragraph, and it was telling us some main issue of the displacement which was caused by river bank erosion. It was setting up the context of this theme. If you see sentence number 2, it was continuing this idea by explaining the reasons behind this displacement, and was saying that the shifting of the course of the river Ganga, the Ganges, to erosion of the river banks, and this was forcing people to leave their homes. Right? They were forcing the people to leave their homes. They were forcing people to leave their land. Then, if you see sentence number 4, again, it was further developing the paragraph by explaining why this problem often does not receive a lot of public attention because it remained invisible. The displacement happens very slowly and gradually over a period of time. What happens? Slowly, people start understanding the seriousness, and they don't understand the seriousness immediately. Sentence 1, because it had a very strong word, thus can act as a concluding statement, because since the erosion and displacement was happening little by little, it was going slowly, so this was remaining unnoticed, and the overall impact, it was just you can say, by and large, at first glance, we were not able, it was not appearing to the common man. So it was just very slow, and people were not very serious about it. However, if you see sentence number 5, sentence number 5 was not actually fitting this flow, because it was talking some hypothetical situation wherein the displacement was happening rapidly and suddenly. It was making people aware of the issue. Help sensitize means people were already aware of the issue. This idea was actually opposite to the theme of the other 4 sentences, and which was not in the main focus, that the erosion is gradual, erosion is invisible, people are not aware of it. Fifth statement, instead of supporting the central theme, it was discussing some different direction. So sentence 5 was the odd one out.